Oh, look at that. Hold on, let me go get my glove. Am I gonna need the glove? No, I think I should be able to get him. Wow, he's big. I'm gonna, yeah, bring him in. Okay, let's. Okay. Oh, nice one. That's a nice one. Beautiful fish. Beautiful channel. What do you got? Oh, nice. 3.14. Nice. Nice. Now hold him with the handle. Yep. Make sure the tail's on. Oh, it was caught on a worm? Good, good. You got that one, huh? I guess I was getting a bite too. Good job. Oh wow, good job. No way. That's from the chicken Kool-Aid. Oh my God, it's huge. I mean, oh wow, good job. Wow. Oh my gosh. A Kool-Aid garlic soaked chicken hot dog. Oh wow. Okay, bring it a little closer. Oh, it just came up. Okay. Nice. Yeah. Yeah, let's get this guy. Nice. How much? Oh my God. 8 pounds even. Yeah. Let's take a pic. Hold up. Good job. Yeah, release him, man. Release him out.